Alright, just letting you guys know, this is, I'm uploading all these videos and making the titles all by myself. Like, my parents don't do that anymore. My dad, I always used to be like, Dad, did you upload this video, this, that? Well, I can upload my own videos now on my tablet without having to use a phone. My dad's phone, my sister's phone, my mom's phone. I don't need a phone. I need my tablet now. And that's kind of surprising because I don't get to watch YouTube that often. But it's okay. And so now I'm going to do a cringy TikTok dance. What should I do? Should I do it if it's gone? I don't know. It's like the what? I don't know. Wait, I know. It's perfect. But, can I see myself? No. Can I see myself? No, I can't. Alright, can I? Oh, gee. God. Tripping over my own stuff. Alright, look. Alright, so you're gonna help me, aren't you? That's a good thing. Alright, you're gonna go. Like, you're gonna do the 1-2 buckle my shoe. Wake up! Now, anyways, you're gonna do the 1-2 buckle my shoe song, aren't you? Okay, now, like, 1-2 buckle my shoe, 3, 4. Buckle some more, 5, 6, Nike kicks. Goodbye. Love you. Subscribe, whatever.